Assalamu alaikum. I will take your maths classes. Your June and July syllabus have been completed. So I will start revision for month of June and July. In arithmetic section, unit number 1 is included. 1 and 3 are included in your arithmetic section. Unit number 1, operation on set. In this unit, students have learned number 1 about the set operation. What is set? A set is a group or a collection of distinct, well-defined objects. In this unit, we will learn union set, intersection set, difference of two sets, a set containing all the elements of A and B is called the union set of set A and B. It means all members or elements are included in union set. Intersection set, a set containing the common element of A and B is called intersection set of set A and B. Difference of two sets. The difference set of any two sets A and B is the set of the element of set A which are not in the set B. Similarly, complement of a set. If a set A is a subset of a given universal set, then the set of element not in A is called its complement set. The formula of complement set, U minus A. When we will find out A complement, write down U minus A. Symbol used in sets. Symbols meaning example. Is equal to, this is the sign of, is equal to 1 2 5 5 1 2. Set having exactly the same member are equal set. This is the sign of not equal to. Is not equal to 1 to 5 is not equal to 1 to 4. This sign is a member of. 3 is a member of 1 2 3. This is the sign of not a member of. 3 is not member of 1 2 3. This is the sign of empty set. This is called empty set. This is the sign of proper subset. A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 1 2, B is a proper subset of A. This is the sign of not proper subset. A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 0 4, B is not a proper subset of A. This is the sign of subset. A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 1 2 3, A is a subset of B. Unit number 3 is also included in arithmetic. Decimal number. In this unit, students have learned about decimal numbers, how to convert fraction into decimal number, terminating and non-terminating decimal. Decimal number, what is decimal? Decimal are fraction which have denominator with power of 10. Terminating decimal are decimal that have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. Not terminating decimal number with an infinite number of digits after the decimal point are known as non-terminating decimal number. In algebra section, unit number 8 is included. Algebraic expression. In this unit, students have learned about algebraic expressions, variables, coefficients, and constant. Algebraic expression. A constant is a symbol with a fixed numerical value, for example 2, 35, 101, and constant. Constant and variable when written together with operators form an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression consists of a single term or terms connected by operation of addition and subtraction. For example, x minus 2y or x square minus xy plus y square. Variables. A variable is an unknown number represented by a letter. Variable, unknown number represented by a letter. Coefficient, a number that is placed before the variable is called the coefficient. For example, 2y, 2 is the coefficient. It is also called the multiplying factor. In geometry section, unit number 12 is included lines and angles. In this unit, students have learned about the concept of perpendicular and parallel line and transversal. Number 2, construction of perpendicular line. What is perpendicular line? Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect at 90 degrees. Or two lines are said to be perpendicular to each other if the angle between them is a right angle or 90 degrees. Similarly, parallel lines, two lines which have the same distance between them and do not intersect are called parallel lines. Unit number 14 is also included in syllabus of June and July. Unit 14, circle. In this unit, students have learned number 1 to define element of circle. Firstly, we are talking about the circle. A circle is a plane figure consisting of points that lie at the same distance from its center. The center of a circle is the fixed point on the plane from which the distance of the moving point is always constant. O is the center of the given circle. This is the figure of circle. O is the center of given circle. Circumference. The circumference of a circle is the boundary or perimeter of the circle. This is called circumference. Radius. The distance between the center and a point on the circumference is called the radius. It is denoted by R. OA, OB, OC and OD are the radii of the given circle. OA, OB, OD and OC. Diameter. The diameter is the distance between 2 points on the circumference along a straight line that passes through the center. The diameter is denoted by D. It is equal to twice the radius. D is equal to 2R. AB is the diameter of the given circle. It means this is the line of diameter. Chord. A line segment that joins the end point of an arc is called a chord. This is called the chord of AB and CD. The diameter can be defined as a chord that passes through the center of the circle. The diameter is the longest chord of a circle. The line segment AB and CD are the chord of the given circle. I am winding my lesson.